Starting with one of the must-have garage tools and equipment, this floor jack can lift cars of up to 3 tons, which means it can handle even trucks and SUVs. Thanks to its dual-piston rapid pump technology, it can lift vehicles with a few pumps. It has a wide base and an ergonomic handle measuring 114 centimeters, which makes the lifting experience very comfortable. It can reach under most cars and can lift them to a height of 50 centimeters. This easy-to-use, sturdy, and comfortable jack is available for $155. You can just buy it on Amazon. Moving on, we have some essential car mechanic tools for every garage, so watch this video till the end. The LED light tunnel is manufactured specifically for auto mechanics who work in the field of detailing. This device creates a bright and uniform illumination for inspecting and correcting the paintwork of vehicles. Detailing refers to the protective maintenance of the car, such as applying a new coat or polishing your car. These light tunnels are also important in improving the car's interior and engine cleaning. When it comes to such high detailing, you need the best lighting with your desired angle, brightness, and temperature parameters. Such LED lights help visualize the car under different parameters without having to take the car anywhere. However, these systems come at a high price, with even the Chinese ones costing you at least $2,000. Garages are often not air-conditioned, so this fan would be an instant hit amongst garage enthusiasts. This fan is the best way to keep your garage or attic cool and comfortable. This ceiling mount garage fan can move air quickly, creating a powerful breeze that lowers the temperature and improves the ventilation in your garage and attic. The Quiet Cool GA ES1500 is not only effective, but also energy efficient and safe. It uses only 47 watts of power, which means you can save money on your energy bills while enjoying a cooler garage. It also has a special damper system that prevents fire from spreading through the attic vent, protecting your home from potential hazards. And with the wireless RF kit, you can easily control the fan from anywhere in your garage. As evident from its name, it's also very quiet and smooth and won't cause any noise or vibration while you work in your garage. The cost of this fan is $450. People who love their cars clean will adore this new car cleaning technology that even saves you money. Dry ice can be used for several tasks, such as repelling mosquitoes or cleaning your car. This revolutionary and ecological cleaning method sprays solid CO2 pellets at high speed and pressure onto the surface to be cleaned. The pellets sublimate on impact, leaving no residue or secondary waste. Apart from improving the environment, you'd save on cleaning costs. With operating pressures reaching from 2 to 8 bar, this system will help clean even the tightest spaces. This system also just weighs 19 kilograms and comes at a much more affordable price of $7,000 compared to the previous versions. Next up, we have an excellent car lift that will make you open your own car repair garage. This car lift is a high-quality lifting device that can lift up to 2.7 tons and can lift a car up to 45 meters in just 1.2 seconds. The lift comes loaded with adjustable arm assemblies, safety lock bars with multiple lock positions, and a free set of truck adapters. However, the only problem might be its price, which is $3,000. Similar to this, we have one more car lift coming up that's a much more affordable option from another company, so make sure you watch till the end to witness it. The smart home company Smarter Home developed these ingenious smart garage tools to make your garage fun. You can get several products from their website, including an airdrop, a wirelessly controlled air inflator that keeps your tires from falling flat. You have a Bluetooth-enabled automatic parking assistant. It also includes the door sensor, which turns the parking assistant on when the door opens. It also features Sound Drop, a Bluetooth speaker with a built-in microphone. Now you can receive phone calls and listen to music while working in the garage. It also features a power adapter that's powered by a 12-amp breaker. You can see the prices on their website and even order them directly from there to add a new dimension to your garage. Our next garage tool is a must-have for everyone, as it's portable and does a very important job. This manual bead breaker tool can be used to change tires on cars, trucks, motorcycles, and other vehicles. It's a portable device that can break the bead of any tire on any rim, regardless of size. It's easy to use and only requires a wrench to operate the clamps and ram bolts. It can work on any tire and rim combination, including passenger vehicles, trucks, motorcycles, race cars, trailers, lawnmowers, go-karts, and light aircraft. The tool has a patented design that pushes the tire bead past the bead retainer on the rim with minimal force and without damaging the rim or tire. This patented product is available for $149 and is a must-have for anyone on the road. Let's get into the affordable car lifts we talked about earlier. The Easy Car Lift is a freestanding car lift that anyone can use anywhere. It's a fast, safe, strong, and easy way to lift your vehicle up to 66 centimeters off the ground using a standard electric drill. It's ideal for home mechanics, car clubs, race teams, and classic car enthusiasts. It can raise and lower a car in less than 90 seconds with a simple button press and can lift up to 2,000 kilograms. It's portable and compact, weighing only 36 kilograms and fitting in your car boot, or it can be easily hung on your garage wall. This is a much cheaper option compared to the previous car lift at $2,000. Let's get into another car lift straight away that has the ability to lift up to 3 tons of weight. This effective lift consists of 2 sets of cross-metal arms that extend and retract like scissors, creating a stable and level platform. The lift has a small frame measuring only 15.5 centimeters in height when fully lowered. It has a lifting capacity of 3 tons and can be lifted up to a height of 190 centimeters. It can be lifted to this maximum height in just 55 seconds and is simply operated by a hydraulic pump powered by electricity or air. It can be purchased at a wholesale price of $2,800. So which one of the 3 lifts do you prefer? Let us know in the comments below. We are now down to the top 5 inventions for your garage, and we've been saving the best for the very last. This chair made in Canada might sound dangerous, but it really adds to the comfort and mobility of a mechanic. If you're working in an auto shop, it will help you reach under the cars effectively. With its backrest, it can lay back from 75 degrees to 10 degrees, powered by a 36-volt linear motor and 2 18-volt Bosch batteries. There are trays on the sides which can be used to keep tools and parts while you're working. The company only manufactures custom-made chairs and charges $4,000 for a piece. Would you like to own one? Car thefts are on the rise, and that's why tools like these are in high demand. If you want to take your garage security to the next level, get this garage barrier from Zycam. It has a telescopic arm that locks into position across the garage door opening, forming a physical barrier that blocks any entry or exit. It has an anti-attack lock and housing that resists tampering, cutting, or drilling. Its sleek design maximizes floor space and comes with a 10-year warranty. It can also come with an alarm system, as this alarm will trigger a siren to scare away burglars. The telescopic arm is made from 33mm thick steel and spans up to 2.7 meters, costing $500. Coming down to the top 3, we still have an impressive garage tool coming up that'll help repair your cars. Overhead storage racks are devices that can help you organize and store your items in your garage, basement, or attic. They're mounted on the ceiling and can hold various items such as boxes, bins, tools, bikes, etc. Cables control the shelves, and they can move back and forth with the help of your smartphone. They can support up to 159 kilograms and work perfectly at a height of about 4 meters. They can be easily installed, and pricing details are available upon request. This innovative and impressive tool comes from a German company that specializes in making car repair tools. It's used for repairing car body parts made of aluminum and steel, and its patented mechanism pulls the damaged parts back to their original shape with minimal force and without damaging the paint or the metal. It has a removable clamp arm that can be adjusted to different rim shapes and sizes. It can work on any car part and any vehicle, including trucks or SUVs. Their partnership with companies like Porsche and Audi tell you everything you need of their excellence. Coming down to number 1, we have this incredible car parking solution from Australia. People who hate reverse parking should get their hands on this ingenious tool from the company Australian Turntables. These platforms have the ability to rotate 360 degrees, which saves you time and space while parking. These systems can work wonders in tight spaces, and we might be seeing plenty of the system in the future. They can be customized to fit different sizes, shapes, weights, and specifications of the items to be rotated. Apart from being efficient, they also look cool and create a unique experience for the viewers.